Once you've taken the steps to integrate your CreateOne account to your Shopify store, it's time to start launching styles. From the homepage under Getting Started, I can press Publish Your Styles on Shopify. This will take me to the Launch Styles section. I can also get here from the menu bar by pressing Sell, Launch Styles. Here I will see all of the styles I've ever created in my account. You'll notice that some of the styles have red production statuses, indicating that they're in materials that are no longer in stock, or that they were created using materials that are reserved for wholesale orders, so cannot be pushed directly to Shopify. I can see all of the styles that I already have live on my e-commerce store, and I can also find styles that I have not yet pushed. In this case, I'll click into this untitled style and open up the description to find all of the fields. I can give this style a name. I can fill in specific Shopify tags. I can update the product description, which by default will be the care instructions of the material, as well as the composition. I can also fill in my price. When I fill in my price, you'll see the estimated profit listed based on the cost of goods for this specific style. That's going to be based off of the base size, but then I can also pop it up to find the profit for all sizes. Beneath that, I can add media. So if I've ordered this style and photographed it, I can upload my images here. Or I can press this Generate Snapshots button to use the simulated images on my product page. Beneath the images is Sales Channels. So here I can find all of the different channels where I can post this product. The first option is CreateOne Shop, which is the CreateOne URL that I can use to post my styles and start generating orders. Underneath that, there is Shopify. So this is if I want to push this product directly to my existing Shopify store. And this does require that you've already gone through the steps to integrate your store to CreateOne. And beneath that is the CreateOne Marketplaces. So here you will find the 5 and growing list of CreateOne owned marketplaces where you have the opportunity to promote your products. This is a slightly different setup that I will cover in a following video. Once I have selected Shopify, I pulled in my images, I've decided on my retail price, potentially updated my description, add tags, and given this product a name. All that's left to do is press Save Changes. When I do that, I will get a message indicating that I have successfully launched this product to my Shopify store. Once you launch your product to your store from CreateOne, it's immediately listed as active. So if you're not ready to have that style live on site yet, you can go into Shopify and shift it to draft. Any of the fields that you fill out in CreateOne can be overridden in Shopify. So if you push your style to Shopify and decide you want to reorder the images, update the description or the product name, or add additional tags, that's completely fine. The price is one field that you want to have accurate in CreateOne, as that is what's used to dictate the 10% of retail price that we charge on every e-commerce order. There's more information about Shopify and dynamics of selling your products on CreateOne directly through your store in our resources FAQ section. As you're launching styles to your Shopify store, you can always search for a specific style that you're looking for at the top, filter to a specific style, or filter to a specific moment if you've organized your styles into moments in the design plan section. I should mention too that from the design styles library, you can select styles here and then press launch to your store to see a filtered look at just the styles you are planning to go live with today. That's the gist of how you can launch your styles directly to your Shopify store after your CreateOne account is integrated to your Shopify. In the next video, we'll review how to order products directly from your CreateOne account.